Who here has heard of the Second Amendment? I'm sure everybody has, considering the controversy surrounding it today. But I'm not here to talk about the Second Amendment. I'm here to talk about the right to bear arms in the state of Texas. More specifically, the Texas Bill of Rights, Article 1, Section 23. In the words of this Texas state constitution, every citizen shall have the right to bear arms in the lawful defense of himself or the state. But the legislature shall have power by law to regulate the wearing of arms with a view to prevent crime. I'm not here to persuade you to support or disagree with the laws of Texas. I am here to inform you of the Texas License to Carry, or the TLTC. I am going to cover some basic history of the Texas LTC, the basic requirements to obtain one, and some information and statistics pertaining to it as well. Let me start by giving a brief history of the license to carry. According to gunstocarry.com, up until 1995, Texas was a no-issue state, meaning no private citizen was allowed to carry a handgun. Then in 1995, Texas legislature approved Texas should become a shall-issue state, meaning that we can regulate permits to private citizens. Now, there are some states that are actually unrestricted, meaning no permits are needed to carry in that state. Those states include Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, Vermont, and Wyoming. So previously, it was called a CHL, Concealed Handgun License. But on January 1st, 2016, legislature changed it to an LTC, meaning that we are now allowed to open carry along with concealed carry as long as we are using an approved shoulder holster or waist holster. Now, the Star-Telegram even reported earlier this year that in some of the Texas Republican Party are pursuing for constitutional carry, meaning that we would become an unrestricted state and there would be no permit to carry. We'll see how that comes about. So now at this point, you're probably wondering what the requirements are in order to obtain a Texas license to carry. Based on information found on the Texas Department of Safety website, number one, you must be 21 years or older to obtain that. Number two, you must meet federal qualifications to purchase a handgun. Number three, must complete a minimum of a 4-hour classroom training and pass the written exam, in addition to take a 1 to 2 hour training class at the range to demonstrate proficiency with a qualified Texas LTC instructor. Now, you can also get your classroom training done online through an accredited website approved by Texas. And you can apply online or mail your application in, and that will take a minimum of 60 days to get approved. So now that you know some history and requirements for the Texas LTC, let's cover some information and statistics. First of all, it takes $40 to apply, and your permit is valid for 5 years. Gunstocarry.com also states that in 2017, 1.2 million Texans had the LTC permit. That actually puts Texas third in the nation for the amount of permits issued. Florida being the largest state and Pennsylvania coming in second. Now there are 36 other states that honor the Texas LTC. And in addition to that, Texas honors 44 other states' permits as well. That terminology is called reciprocity. So hopefully today you have a basic understanding of the Texas Licensed Carry, or LTC. You have a little bit of history of concealed handguns in the state of Texas, the basic requirements, and some information and statistics as well. Since the Bill of Rights states to regulate the wearing of arms with a view to prevent crime, I am certainly interested in preventing crime by protecting myself and my family. Hopefully now you have enough information to make that decision on your own as well.